as you mentioned about passive investment and active investment, as an investor, should we passively invest or should we actively invest? Like directly we should take shares. How should we go about it?
Both has advantage and disadvantage.
Okay.
See, when we are talking about index investment, it is a no-brainer. You need not to apply your mind. Whatever index company creates a portfolio, you directly invest through ETF or through mutual fund.
Okay.
But when it comes to direct stocks, the returns can be very high. As you know, some stocks outperforms the index. So if you are an analyst who does fundamental analysis, technical analysis, momentum analysis, news or event analysis, basically these are all analysis which you need to do before buying a stock. Even in the active investment, a fund manager does all these studies: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, momentum analysis, information analysis. So after doing all this analysis, if he finds that it has a lot of value, he picks up into its active investment portfolio. Similarly, as a person, as an investor, if you are capable of doing it, then stock investment is ideal. Otherwise, it is not.
Oh, okay.
It is a full-time activity.
Right.
As a common investor, we don't have that bandwidth to understand all these things. And all the active fund manager or active investment needs a team. It is not a one-man show. You need batteries of fundamental analyst, technical analyst, senior analyst. A lot of people who does the channel check whether all these informations are correct or not. So you need a different bandwidth, a different level of investments. If your investable fund size is too huge, then perhaps it makes sense to be active investor or yourself pick up stocks, do all the study, or you have to be very passionate about the whole. Otherwise, if you are not so passionate, you don't have so much time, then index investment or active investment is much better choice. Because studying individual stock is extremely difficult for individual, and again construct a portfolio by itself is a very difficult task. How much weightage you should give to individual stocks?
Okay.
How to reduce it? How to rebalance it? Because when you are investing in stock, it doesn't mean that you have to entirely put all your money in one stock. You have to create a portfolio. Once you create a portfolio, what weightage you will give to individual stocks? That again is a worrisome activity. You have to think about it.
Okay.
So giving weightage, rebalancing it from time to time, and most of the times it happens that as a common investor, they sell the winner and keep the loser. So their portfolio never performs. So it is over a period of time when the investor is very mature, he understands that you have to keep the winner and sell the loser. And there has to be a process, there has to be a method. So my conclusion is better to participate through mutual fund as a investor, which is much easier and much rewarding, I would say.